Hey strangers, I am back from an unanticipated YouTube break and I am starting back with a 10 minutes better. And for this 10 minutes better, it is an anything goes 10 minutes better. So I am giving you 10 minutes of cleaning motivation. I want to thank my sweet dear friend Melinda here on YouTube. Her channel is Melinda Plain and Simple. I will link her channel link along with today's playlist in my description box below, and I would love for you guys to check it out. And I hope this video motivates and inspires you in some way, shape, or form as you are doing things around your home today. Thought it would be fun to take you guys along with me as I do some chores in my home that take around 10 minutes or less. So I am just starting in my dining room and just giving my dining room table its weekly polish, and I love how it shines after I finish.
People knew her by her will, to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night hours up the hill, serving coffee to strangers, talking about revenue. She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone, but she knew it must rain before it grows.
I also needed to clean my bathroom, so I included this clip of me cleaning my garden tub. I have no idea why. Every time I film in here, it looks like I have this ring around my tub, even after I clean it. I do not. It's the way the light hits it and the camera and the reflection, but even if I did, it's okay to have a ring around your tub. But I did want to say that I am so happy to be back. As I said, I did take an unexpected break. As most of you guys know, if you've watched my channel for a while, in February I lost one of my dear friends, and then we had some stress in March, and we honestly were in the process of buying a house and moving to another state and selling our house, and then we changed our minds. So that's where I was. Like, that's a short way to make a long story short. Does that even make sense? But now I'm just folding a few pieces of laundry and putting them away.
Day, butterflies survive the wheel, even though she got knocked down and never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart at? Why'd you fall back? Lately your afterglow is shining brighter, waking up an easy egg. Decades old, but it doesn't matter. Stumble across old memories, try to recall before they.
So I call this little corner in my home my pretty corner. I'm pretty sure Melinda helped me come up with that term, but I just have like all my favorite little things in this corner, and it's out of the way so it can still be nice and girly and still fit into our home. But I love this tea set. I always wanted a tea set ever since I was a little girl, and so I was so excited to get it, and now I'm just going to clean my kitchen sink.
She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone, but she knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survive the wheel, even though she got knocked down and never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart at? Why'd you fall back? Lately your after
So I am in love with having a clean kitchen sink. There's just something about walking into the kitchen, having everything cleared out of the sink and having it shiny that just makes me feel happy. I know we all have our different things that make us feel happy, but then you can honestly do this in under a minute, but we have like an overstock area where we keep overstock items, and I had recently purchased some water, so like literally this took less than a minute to unpackage the water and put it in the overstock place that we have in our home. Then I went into my living room and I polished and dusted the furniture in my living room, so I just included a little bit of that.
Hey, you couldn't see it coming. You might have thought it, but you couldn't change it. Hey, it's not right or wrong. It's about trying, find the silver lining. Rain and fire, highs and lows, you name it. Cold and warmth, laughs and cries, you have it.
Thank goodness that today is vacuum day, because look over from the other side. I'm sitting on the floor and look at that huge little dust bunny right there. I cannot believe that is there and that I caught it as I was editing. That is like so embarrassing. And then I just start a load of dishes, one of my favorite things to do after dinner, and then I'm just going to vacuum in my living area.
World goes by, and by the time it does, you missed it. You didn't see it, flew by. 'Cause time's not waiting for me or you. You will miss it if you don't catch it in time. In time. Say yes, let it then know. Don't let your fears lead. Light is at your feet. Yes, regret is worse than failing. Keep the loved ones close enough.
Do you ever have a task that you procrastinate to do? So I bought these little geraniums several weeks ago, and I had procrastinated about putting them in these pots. So I went ahead and took care of that on this specific day. For some reason, I usually have to clear this whole pot out, but I think, and I have two, I have one on each side of the pool, but I think this year, I think the little, I don't know what it's called. It's not ivy, but it's a vine. I think it's going to come back. It's a little yellow, but it seems like it's going to come back. And that other plant came back this year. So all I needed to replace were the geraniums. And I'll have to see if the vine comes back. I mean, it's a little yellow, but I still think it is going to do exactly what it needs to do. And then I finish up this video by watering some plants. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. And do not forget to check out that playlist. And remember to take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Fire, highs and lows, you